Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Agriculture and GK. My name is Sangamitra and today I am going to discuss on ICAR Entomology and Nematology question paper of 2020. The exam was conducted on 23rd of September and we have the accurate answer key. So before starting, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe the channel, and if you like this video, then share it as much as possible. So the first question is, organic matter content of most Indian soils on a dry soil basis varies between, and the answer is option 2, that is 0.2 to 0.5%. Okay. Question number 2, degree of freedom is related to, it is related to number of independent observations in a set. Okay, option 2 is the right answer. Question number 3, the most effective means to control mold disease of wheat is crop rotation. Okay, crop rotation is the right answer. Question number 4, under natural conditions, Drosera magnifera lies ovisac inside the option 3, soil cracks. Okay, it lays between soil cracks. Okay. Question number 5, the most suitable design for an experiment involving a varying number of tillage and nitrogen levels is split plot. Okay, option 2 is the right answer. Question number 6, which of the following stored grain paste is incapable of feeding on whole grain? Stored grain paste. Okay, and the answer is red flour beetle, option 2. Question number 7, potassium is observed by plants in the ionic form as K plus. Okay, not K plus plus, it's just 1 plus. Question number 8, given below are two statements. These are the two statements. Statement 1, strawberry is propagated through suckers, and 2, large cardamom is commercially propagated through suckers. So we have to choose the most appropriate answer, and the option 1 is correct answer, that is both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Okay, strawberry and large cardamom both are propagated by suckers. Question number 9, match the pairs. Here is list 1 and list 2, and the correct answer for this is option 1, that is ethylene, fruit ripening, gibberellin, genetical dwarfism, abscisic acid, stomatal closing, auxin, apical dominance. Okay. Question number 10, which one of the following is known as emergent weed? Okay, emergent weed, that is typha. Typha is the emergent weed. Question number 11, separation of old cuticle from epidermis is called, they have asked old cuticle, that is apolysis. Okay, separation of old cuticle is called apolysis. Question number 12, which one of the following crops is the most tolerant of soil sodicity? Tolerant of soil sodicity, that is cotton. Okay. Question number 13, inbreeding in cross-pollinated crops increased due to, it is increased due to homozygosity. Okay. Question number 14, seed gall of wheat is caused by, it is caused by nematode. Okay, seed gall of wheat. Question number 15, match the pairs, and the correct answer is option 3. Okay. Question number 16, which one of the following is a genetically modified crop widely grown in India? Genetically modified crop, that is cotton. Okay, cotton is a genetically modified crop. Question number 17. Again statements. Statement 1 says that royal jelly is secreted by honeybee. Statement 2, drones can't sting. Okay. And the most appropriate answer is option 1. Both are true. Okay. Statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Question number 18. The length of silk thread in a cocoon of Bombyx morai ranges from. रेंज पूछा गया है, लेंथ पूछी गई है बॉम्बेक्स मोराई की, एंड इट इज़ 900 to 1000 मीटर. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. फ्लैचेरी डिसीज ऑफ सिल्क वॉर्म इज कॉज्ड बाय. फ्लैचेरी डिसीज किसका होता है? सिल्क वॉर्म में होता है, और वो किसकी वजह से होता है? बैक्टीरियम की वजह से. इट इज़ अ बैक्टीरियल डिसीज. Okay. Question number 20. Which one of the following is an insect growth regulator? Insect growth regulator, that is option 2 is the correct answer. Diflubenzuron. Okay. Diflubenzuron. Question number 21. Directorate of Plant Protection, Quarantine and Storage is located as, that is DPPQS. Directorate of Plant Protection, Quarantine and Storage. It is located at Faridabad. Okay. Question number 22. Axillary sclerites are absent in. They are absent in Odonata and Ephemeroptera. Question number 23. The nitrogen content in farmyard manure is, it is 0.5%. Farmyard manure. Okay. Question number 25. The insecticidal property of DDT was discovered by Paul Muller in the year. Paul Muller. It was discovered in the year 1939. Option 3 is the right answer. Question number 26. These are the two statements. Which one is true? RCH2 is not Bt cotton. MECH12 is a Bt cotton. And the correct answer is statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. Okay. It is incorrect and it is correct. Question number 27. Which one among the following is the oldest name of city? Okay. Option 2 is the correct answer. Question number 28. Which one of the following is an internal grain feeder? Internal grain feeder, that is khapra beetle. Okay. Question number 29. Zero tillage is successful in India in the cropping systems of. It is successful in wheat crop, in rice wheat. Okay. Question number 30. Match the pairs. And option 3 is the right answer. That is pulse beetle is Calosorbanches chinesis. Rice weevil Cytophilus oryzae. Tobacco beetle Lacidorma sericorn. A drug store beetle, that is fourth option, Stegobium panicum. Okay. These are the scientific names. Again, match list 1 with list 2, and the correct answer for this is option 3. Okay. These are the universities and their locations. So remember this. Question number 32. False root knot nematode is. Option 1 is the correct answer, that is Nacobus species. Which one of the following is a carbamate? That is Methomyl is a carbamate. Question number 34. Match the pairs. And option 4 is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 35. Given below are two statements. Again statements. And the most appropriate is statement 2. That is statement 1 and statement 2 are false. That is both the statements are false. Okay. Question number 36. What is the full form of NABARD? It is the most easy question. That is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Option 1 is the right answer. Question number 37. How much pesticide spray solution is required to apply 12 liters of 50 EC insecticide formulation if the recommended application rate is 0.5%? That is 120 ml. Okay, it requires 120 ml pesticide solution. Which one of the following possesses contact, systemic and fumigant actions? All the three actions. Okay, that is chlorpyrifos. It possesses all the three actions. Question number 39. Chemically, chitin is, what is a chitin? It is nitrogenous polysaccharide. Okay. Question number 40. How many major agroclimatic zones are there in India? Yes, agroclimatic zones. That is 15. There are 15 agroclimatic zones in India. Question number 41. The resistant structure produced by Fusarium species is? Option 3 is the right answer. That is chlamydospores. Question number 42. Statements. And the correct statement is option 3. That is statement 1 is correct. That is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act is related to rural development. Yes, it is related to rural development. Jawahar Rozgar Yojana is related to urban rural development. No, this is wrong. So option 3 is the right answer. Question number 43. Resurgence of whitefly is largely associated with? Resurgence means दोबारा वही आना. And the right answer is option 4. Indiscriminate use of synthetic pyrethroids. Okay, indiscriminate use of. 44. Which one of the following mineral elements plays an important role in biological nitrogen fixation? That is molybdenum. Molybdenum plays important role in biological nitrogen fixation. Okay, ये important है. Question number 45. Statement 1. Mosquito Aedes aegypti is a vector of dengue fever, chikungunya and yellow fever virus. Statement 2. The disease rickettsia is spread by housefly. And the correct answer is statement 1 is right, but the statement 2 is false. So option 3 is the right answer. Question number 46. Which one of the following enhance seed germination? Seed germination, that is GA, gibberellin. Okay. Question number 47. Bird lice belong to the order? It belongs to the order Malophaga. Question number 48. The microelement available in soil with alkaline pH is? That is molybdenum. The mechanism favoring maize as an allogamous crop species is? Dichogamy. Okay, option 2 is the right answer. Question number 50. These are the two statements. Statement 1, the female of black insect has true eyes, legs and wings. Okay, and statement 2, the Tusar silkworm feeds on castor. Option 2 is the right answer, that is both the statements are wrong. Question number 51. Chromosomal theory of inheritance was proposed by Sutton and Boveri. Okay, option 3 is the right answer. Question number 52. Mat nursery is related to? It is related to rice. Mat nursery. Okay, question number 53. Which one of the following was domesticated during the year 7500 BC? That is before Christ. Option 3 is the right answer, that is barley. Okay. Question number 54. Match the pairs, and the correct option is option 4. Okay. Question number 55. The standard Bombyx mori loose egg pack contains? $20,000 eggs. Okay, it contains 20,000 eggs. Question number 56. Which one of the following is not a cultural method? Not. That is, light trap is not a cultural method. It is a mechanical. Okay. Question number 57. Which one of the following is not a part of the insect leg? Not. That is, cape is not a part of insect leg. Question number 58. Johnston organ is absent in? It is absent in both Columbora and Diplura. Okay, इन दोनों में भी वो नहीं होता है. Question number 59. Rosette disease in groundnut is caused by? It is caused by virus. Question number 60. Statement 1. Zinc deficiency is common on calcareous soil. Statement 2. Zinc availability to crops is higher in alkaline soil. That is, statement 1 is correct, but the statement 2 is wrong. Okay, it is incorrect. Option 3 is the right answer. Question number 61. The word agronomy was derived from? Agronomy, it is derived from Greek word. Question number 62. Which one of the following is not herbicide? Not. That is, Proclaim is not a herbicide. Option 3 is the right answer. Question number 63. The acronym GAAC stands for? It is stand for Genetically Engineering Approval Committee. Okay, Genetically Engineering Approval Committee, GEAC. Question number 64. Origin of silk gland in silkworm is? Ectodermal. Okay, it is originate from ectodermal. Question number 65. Which one of the following is popularly known as boneless meat? Okay, boneless meat, that is soybean. Yes, soybean is a boneless meat. Question number 66. Match the pairs, and option first is the right answer. Question number 67. Again match the pairs. Again option 1 is the right answer. Question number 68. Which one of the following has the lowest cuticular transpiration? Cuticular transpiration, that is Opuntia, has the lowest cuticular transpiration. Question number 69. Which one of the following is a herbicide? Simazine is a herbicide. Okay. Question number 70. In termites, royal jelly is produced by royal jelly, and it is produced by lateral periphageal glands of workers. Okay. Question number 71. Class Insecta belongs to the subphylum Insecta class, and they have asked subphylum, not phylum. And the answer is Uniramia. Question number 72. Cotton leaf curl viral disease is transmitted by? It is transmitted by whitefly. Option 2 is the right answer. Question number 73. Match the pairs, and the correct answer is option 3rd. Okay. Question number 74. The insecticide not banned for application in crop pest management is? And the right answer is option 3rd, that is chloropyrifos. It is not banned for application in crop pest management. Okay, question number 75. The entomopathogenic nematode used in the microbial control of insect pest is? Entomopathogenic nematode. Okay, they have asked nematode. And the answer is option 3rd, that is Neoplactena carpocapsi. Question number 76. Eggs are laid in an Uthia by? Yes, eggs are laid in an Uthia by cockroach. Okay, they are laid by cockroaches. Question number 77. Snow fleas belong to? These are the options, and the correct option is 3rd, that is Collembola. Question number 78. In insects, the origin of foregut is? Yes, ectodermal. Origin of foregut is ectodermal. Question number 79. Scansorial or clinging type of legs are found in? They are found in head lice. Okay, जुओं में होता है. Question number 80. Which one of the following is the sugarcane root borer? Okay, sugarcane root borer. And the option is, and the answer is option 4. Emalocera depressella. Sugar root borer. The degree to which a chemical is poisonous to the insect is its hazard rating. Okay, poisonous, chemical poisonous. Question number 82. Statement 1. Turnip belongs to coal crop, and statement 2. Broccoli belongs to coal crop. And the answer is both the statements are true. Statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. Broccoli belongs to coal crop, not turnip. Question number 83. Complete metamorphosis occurs in? It occurs in moths. Okay, complete metamorphosis. Question number 84. The use of legislative restrictions to control pest is called? Legislative restrictions. Okay, it is called plant quarantine. Question number 85. Which one of the following is a physical method of nematode control? And the answer is all the above. that is heat only, eradication, osmotic pressure. All the three options are correct. These are the physical method of nematode control. Okay. Question number 86. Trichogrammatids are parasitic on insect at which stage? At the egg stage, they are parasitic on insects. Question number 86. If a linear relation exists between the variable x and y, then the coefficient of correlation between them will be 1. Okay, linear relation between variable x and y, and the answer is 1. Question number 88. From which part of chrysanthemum Cinereifolium pyranthrum is extracted? Pyrethrum is extracted from flower. Okay. Question number 89. Match the pairs, and the correct answer is option 4. Okay. Question number 90. What is the full form of ATARI? That is ATARI. And the right answer is Agriculture Technology Application Research Institute. Application Research Institute. That is option 2 is the correct answer. Question number 91. Resin glands in lac insect are present in? They are present all over the cuticle. Okay, option 3 is the right answer. Question number 92. Molli disease of wheat is most severe in the state Haryana. It is more severe in the state of Haryana. Question number 93. Rating is process associated with jute. Okay. Question number 94. Insect hind wings are modified into knob-like structure called halters in fruit fly. Okay. Question number 95. A top cross test is done to evaluate the performance of. It is done to evaluate the performance of single cross hybrid. Option 2 is the right answer. Question number 96. Which one of the following is not a suitable method for irrigating fruit crops? Border strips. Okay. Border strip is not a suitable method for irrigating fruit crops. Question number 97. Statement 1. Triton X100 is used as an emulsifier. Protein hydroxylate is used as an attractant against fruit fly. And the answer is both the statements are true. Question number 98. Euphra disease mainly occurs in paddy. Okay. Question number 99. Repetitive growing of same sole crop on the same field is known as? It is known as monocropping. Question number 100. Which nematode produces nemaule? Nematode producing nemaule. That is option 3. Datilanchus dipsaceae. Okay. Option 3 is the right answer. Question number 101. Geniculate type of antennae are present in honeybee. They are present in honeybee. Geniculate type of antennae. Question number 102. Infective stage of entomopathogenic nematodes is? The infective stage is IJ2. Okay. Pathogenic nematodes. Entomopathogenic nematodes. Infective stage is IG2. Question number 103. In India, the first Plant Quarantine Act was passed in the year. It was passed in the year 1914. Okay. Question number 104. First case of DDT resistance against insects globally was reported in the year. It was reported in the year 1947. Question number 105. Sexual spores of fungi are zygospores. Okay, option 4 is the right answer. Question number 106. Cartap hydrochloride was isolated for the first time from. They are isolated from annelid. Okay. Question number 107. Agronomic nutrient use efficiency is calculated as. Agronomic nutrient use efficiency. Okay, nutrient use efficiency, and it is calculated. Option 2 is the right answer. That is grain yield in treated plot minus grain yield in control divided by amount of nutrient applied. Okay. Grain yield in treated plot minus grain yield in control plot divided by amount of nutrient applied. Question number 108. The test of significance of differences between two means in small samples is calculated by. Test of significance between small samples. It is calculated by t-test. Okay. Question number 109. Nematode reproductive system is. Yes, it is asymmetrical. Okay. Question number 110. First generation insecticide era was between the years. First generation insecticide era. That it is in between the years 1939 to 1948. Okay, option 2 is the right answer. Question number 111. Most Indian BT cotton hybrid contains the genetic material. It is option 2 is the right answer. CRI1AC. That is CRI1AC. Question number 112. The Insecticide Act in India was passed in the year. Insecticide Act. Yes, it is passed in the year 1968. Okay. Question number 113. Which among the following has higher irrigation efficiency than others? Yes, drip irrigation has higher irrigation efficiency than others. Okay. Question number 114. The downward entry of water into the soil is termed as infiltration. Okay, it is termed as infiltration. Question number 115. Match the pairs, and the correct answer is option 4. Okay, you have to remember this. Question number 116. Water potential of pure water is equal to water potential, that is minus 0.0. Okay. Question number 117. Worldwide resistance to inorganic pesticide was first reported in. It was first reported in scale insect. Okay. Question number 118. Which one of the following is a rice cyst nematode? And the right answer is option 3, that is Heteroordera or Rhizicola. Question number 119. Juvenile hormone is secreted by. It is secreted by Carpora alata. Option 1 is the right answer. In today's last question is, Mendel did not face the problem of linkage. However, 7 characters studied by him were located on how many chromosomes? Okay. The exact question is 7 characters were located on how many chromosomes? That is 4. Okay, option 2 is the right answer. सो गाइस, आई होप कि ये वीडियो आपके लिए यूज़फुल रही होगी. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. तो फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.